In today's video, I'm going to be checking out a home free recommended by one of you. This is Seven Bridges Road, yeah, at Jacksonville. I don't know if this is an original. Me, I'm very clueless about home free, so I don't know if this is an original or a cover, but it was recommended by one of you. So if you want to recommend reactions, I'll leave a link in the description section. All right, let's go. Okay. Let's start the bass. Clap your hands. This, but Adam in the background, he's doing like he's imitating like the real movements of like someone who would be drumming. Is that like how he like gets his beatboxing groove on? I would really like to know in the comment section if you've seen Home Free live. It's Home Free that are making this sound very countryish, or the original is countryish, but Home Free are like one of the very few groups I can listen to a song I've never heard. They are covering it and I'm enjoying it so much. Also, Tim's voice stands out so much in Home Free, so much. Did you hear that beatboxing? Just go back. Just go back a bit. Adam's beatboxing technique is just I want to make like 98 reaction videos about it.
You should go.
this vocal section where there's no beats, it sounds so familiar. I feel like I've watched like, is this like in a movie or something? Or a series? Yeah, I feel like I've seen some old Western show where they have this specific like vocal section. Like I feel like I don't know, like Westworld or something. I don't know. You can tell me if I'm. It brings up some sort of memory in my head. Just go back a bit. Absolutely phenomenal. This is what still shocks me about Home Free. I've done a couple of reactions for Home Free. Let me just close that and listen. I've done a bunch of reactions for Home Free, and still, I'm shocked how most a lot of I've reacted to like studio type content for Home Free. Then I've also reacted to like captured with a phone camera type content, and I'm still shocked with how good they sound. I was told by someone that because of Tim's bass, that they have to bring their own sound, because if they use like normal normal people's sound, that he's going to break way too many speakers, and they're just going to have to pay for the speakers that are because of Tim's voice. So they bring their own sound, but still, the sound is just impeccably good for something that was recorded with phone camera. The fusion, I mean, this is obvious for Home Free, but the fusion of their voices when they harmonize and they vocalize together is it's so flawless. I don't expect any less from Home Free, but it's still surprising me because this was recorded by a phone, by someone in the crowd. Again, Adam, his beatboxing is just so effortless. I like the way he has to like imitate actual drumming, so that while he's beatboxing, it makes his beatboxing seem very in sync with how the others are singing. Yeah, because Adam is not singing, the others are singing with him beatboxing. Anyway, I really enjoyed checking this out. I'm going to go look for a studio version. If there's a studio version of this, I'm going to go check it out. But if not, I've enjoyed this, and I can recommend more Home Free on this channel. Make sure to smash like and subscribe. There's also a link in the description section where you can donate if you want to donate, or you can request reactions. I tend to take reaction requests there.